morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 23rd April 2021. In the international market, it seems the US 10-year has found solace with 155-165 range. 175 indeed has acted as an intermittent support, beyond which it will open the doors for 2% level. For now, US 10-year closed at 157 and 30-year closed at 2.24 percentage points on Thursday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading stable at $65.55 per barrel. Short-term range for crude seems to be $65 to $67. In the currency market, dollar index DXY is at 91.21. 91 level was saved once again. Against our belief, DXY retreated exactly from 91 levels yesterday. DXY's today's range seems to be 90.66 to 91.34. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 649. USD INR with a high of 75.26 closed at 74.94. Please note that it has closed below 75 levels yesterday. USD INR's range for today seems to be 74.92 to 75.30. Due to increasing COVID-19 fear, the USD INR will continue to be hammered. Knight Research team is still bearish for USD INR and expects 75.50 very soon, but do not trade for 75.50 in a very short run. We may see USD INR testing all-time highs if the COVID-19 situation is not handled really well. In the domestic market, the MPC meeting minutes were out yesterday. Executive Director Mrudul Sagar said the economic recovery can come under risk if this new wave of infections is not flattened soon. Sagar added that the monetary and fiscal policies had already used most of their room to limit the loss of economic capital. New GSEP could provide some comfort to the economy. On the inflation front, Jayant Verma noted that the forecasting had become more difficult due to pandemic as some economic and statistical relationships had broken down. Hence, MPC must have the agility and the flexibility to respond rapidly and adequately to whatever surprises new data may bring in future. On the market front, market participants were expecting new round of OMOs or OTs or GSEP announcements, which did not materialize till yesterday evening. Market expects the next GSEP will be in early May. 515-2025 closed at 553 versus 554 the previous trading day. 585-2030 closed at 605 versus 607 the previous trading day. There is a rupees 32,000 crore GSEC auction today, and market will be slightly disappointed as it has not received any OMO OT announcements yet. No 2025, 2030 or 35 papers in today's GSEC auctions. Night Research will be available with the cutoffs by 10:40 am. RBI had announced the long-term VRR, but due to COVID-19 fears, they have continued with 14-day VRR only for the last two sessions. The new 14-day variable rate reverse repo, which is VRR, auction for rupees 2 lakh crore is scheduled today at 10:30 to 11 am. We expect the same 348 to 351 range. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you next week with the new episode of Night Snippets.